Looking for a great pre-owned SUV? Check out this 2020 Kia Telluride in everlasting silver with black leather interior. Inside, you'll find many upgrades like third-row seating, keyless open and start, and Find My Car tracker system. The Kia Telluride is also loaded with tech like UVO Link, Bluetooth connectability, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This Telluride also comes with safety features such as backup camera, blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. The Kia Telluride comes with a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and brake assist. If you're interested in the 2020 Kia Telluride, visit us online at cabledahmer.com to learn more.